Good morning, everybody. Okay, here's my project. You won't believe it, but I'm rebuilding, that's right, an Airstream. I'm doing all the interior work on it. And here's my helper. We've done, let's put these oak boards on top of the laminate table. Go ahead and continue, I'm just doing a video. I like to do video evidence of all my work. And Josh is helping me. One more little, get it down, yeah, there you go. A little pressure on it, there you go, right there. That's perfect. All right, let's take a look at the inside of this Airstream. All right, this is where the table's gonna go, right here. Gotta hang up, I gotta fix this drawer right here. I gotta hang up all these curtain rods. Hang up that right there. This is the bathroom. Now this is 25 years old, and it was remodeled by another guy up north, and he did all the interior work, laid the floors, and did the cabinetry work, and I'm finishing out all the hardware. Okay, and I got to put magnets on these drawers so they don't open up while they're riding. I've already fixed the awning, it was broken. It's old-timey stuff here. All kinds of different accessories I got to put on this. I'm going to be here all day long doing this. Plus I brought my generator. We're going to fire this up, fire up the air conditioning, and get everything working on this. Cool project, huh? Now, I've already rebuilt a motorcycle trailer for this family, and they trust me now enough to upfit the Airstream. So that's what I'm doing. And of course I got help from their son. We got a bunch of hardware, a bunch of screws out here. How's it going?
Pretty good, I think.
Okay.
Any input?
Yeah, it looks good. That one's not down far enough. You can tell the washer hasn't flared out. A little pressure on it. Okay, remember when you put your weight on it, yeah. But remember, you're going through oak. There you go, good. Stop, because you don't want to strip the screw. And this one needs to go down a little bit further. There you go. Perfect. Okay. Okay, that's good. All right, so we had to fix this awning. One of the rivets fell out right over here, so I went ahead and replaced that. So now that's up and holding. We got it?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, cool. All right, we're gonna go ahead and install this table, and then we got a bunch of other little projects we got to get started. So I'll see you guys on another video. Okay. Well, there you go. What year is this?
2020.
What? Yeah, what year's the Airstream?
I don't know, honestly.
Okay. Looks like about 25 years old. Okay, guys, out of here. Leave those comments.